All right, before the renovation started, I wanted to say we're in Jack's. We actually delivered, brought a car up here, sold our first car for, that's right, 500 down yesterday. So Mr. 500 has now entered Jacksonville. I don't have that many cars yet. I brought up 10. I got 7 more coming. We're gonna keep filling it up until we got 40, 50 cars here. So I'll give everybody a tour. We got renovations happening. You're gonna have some customer parking here. We could put another 15 cars here, line them up that way and around the circle here. Gonna have my company truck always parked there as a nice billboard. I'm working on the office right now. It's gonna get a new paint, drywall. We just did a basic setup here. We got the banner for what we do. Got my finance office set up here. This is Keene Automall Jack's walkthrough, checking it out. We have more cars back here, so you can put another 30, 40 cars back here. We're gonna get this lift removed. We don't need that anymore. We're considering keeping this as a storage spot. Maybe I'll paint it, fix it up. Put stuff in there like cleaning supplies, detail supplies, little storage unit. We'll just keep that for now. And then all this can have more cars parked in this field. That's it, Keene Automall Jack's. Brought up all these cars so far. 2014 Audi A6, 2020 Malibu, 2018 Honda Accord, 18 Rango, 18 GMC Terrain, 13 Sonata, 13 Altima, little cash car. We'll see if we put this on the Beach Boulevard. We could sell this car for a little cash sale convertible, a little vert. All this is our property here. So you can put cars here. If we have a detail station cleaning cars there, we could clean cars in there. You can see that this used to be a car wash. Right there, you can see it says right there, car wash. Used to be a car wash back in the day. We're gonna make Jack's great. We're gonna get everything here. We got cars, inventory. We're gonna get rid of that lift, have more cars displayed here. Over the years, I've got a good relationship with the owner of the property, and we hope to be able to, lease with option to purchase, buy this property within a couple of years and make this a permanent home for Keene Automall Jack's. Keene Automall Pompano will be our headquarters. Major storefront, Beach Boulevard. You got a street light right here. You got traffic all day, 1.5 million drive-by traffic. You got Walgreens across the street for your Dr. Pepper, your snacks. Keene Automall Jack's, everybody.